Hello everyone and welcome back to Magic English Channel, where learning English is simple, practical, and magical. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hello, Anna. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm doing fantastic today. The weather is nice and I had a healthy breakfast, so I feel full of energy. How about you?
That's great to hear. I'm doing well, too. I was actually at the supermarket this morning, so today's topic is perfect.
Oh, really? That's perfect timing. Because today we're going to talk about real English at the supermarket.
Yes! This is a super practical topic. Almost everyone goes to the supermarket, whether you live in an English-speaking country or you're traveling abroad.
Exactly. And supermarkets are great places to practice everyday English because you have many small conversations.
Before we begin, please subscribe to Magic English Channel if you haven't already.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much. Your support helps our channel grow.
Okay, David, let's imagine we just walked into a supermarket. What might we hear?
Sometimes a staff member near the entrance might say,
Hello, welcome. Can I help you find anything?
Right. And if you don't need help, what can you say?
You can say, no thank you, I'm just looking.
That's very common and polite.
And if you need help, you can say, yes, please, I'm looking for cooking oil. Or, where can I find rice?
Very simple and useful sentences.
Let's talk about asking for specific items. For example, you can say, excuse me, where is the milk? Where are the eggs? Do you sell fresh vegetables? Notice we say, excuse me first. It's polite.
Yes, politeness is very important. The staff might answer, it's in aisle 5, or it's at the back of the store. Let's explain aisle. An aisle is the long row between shelves in a supermarket. So if someone says aisle 3, you go to that row.
Exactly.
Let's practice some supermarket vocabulary.
Fruits, vegetables, meat section, frozen food, dairy section, bakery, snacks, beverages.
Good idea. If you want bread, you go to the bakery section. If you want ice cream, you go to the frozen food section.
Very good.
Let's practice. I'm the staff member. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please, I'm looking for pasta.
Sure, it's in aisle 7 near the sauces.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Excellent. That's very natural.
Now, Anna, what if something is expensive?
Good question. You can ask, is this on sale? Do you have a cheaper one? Is there a discount? You can also say, this is a bit expensive.
Yes. And sometimes there are special offers like, buy one, get one free. That's very common in supermarkets. Now you finished shopping. You go to the checkout.
The cashier might say, hello, did you find everything you were looking for?
You can answer, yes, thank you. Or, actually, I couldn't find the sugar.
Then the cashier scans your items and says, that will be $23.75.
And what do we say?
You can say, can I pay by card? I'll pay in cash. Can I pay with my phone?
Sometimes they ask, cash or card?
And you simply answer, card, please.
Very easy.
The cashier might ask, "Do you need a bag?"
You can say, "Oh, yes, please." Or, "No, thank you. I brought my own bag."
Then they might ask, "Would you like the receipt?"
You can say, "Yes, please." Or, "No, that's okay."
Let's do a full role play now.
Welcome. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Where can I find the chicken?
It's in the meat section at the back.
Thank you.
After shopping. Hello? Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
That will be $18.40.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please insert your card.
Okay. Thank you.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You too.
Perfect. That was very smooth.
What if you don't understand something? You can say, "Sorry. Could you repeat that? Can you speak a little slower, please?"
What if your card doesn't work? You can say, "Let me try again." Or, "I'll pay with cash instead."
Very useful.
Remember, small conversations help build confidence.
Even saying, "Thank you. Excuse me. Have a nice day."
These simple phrases make you sound natural.
Yes. Don't worry about making mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes when learning a language.
The important thing is to try.
Here's a practice tip. Next time you go shopping, try to think in English.
Look at items and say, "I need milk. I'm buying apples. This is cheap. This is expensive." You can even practice role play at home.
That's a great idea. The main message today is, don't be afraid to speak.
Start with simple sentences. Where is? Can I have? I'd like. Practice step by step.
Before we say goodbye, please subscribe to Magic English channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if it helped you.
And leave a comment below. What do you usually buy at the supermarket? Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.